Hello guys, welcome to your English class. My name is Perla. I hope you enjoy and you learn a lot. Remember that we are going to continue working on Unit 7. Today we are going to work on page 104 and page 105. We are going to learn a little bit about culture, and the objective for these two pages is students will be able to talk about a continent called Antarctica. So before to start working on these pages, I would like to give you some facts about Antarctica. So let's start. Welcome to Antarctica. So I would like to start the class asking this question. What do you know about Antarctica? So we are going to do a quick quiz in order to know how much do you know about Antarctica. So pay attention please. Is Antarctica at the North Pole or at the South Pole? What do you think? North or South? The correct answer is South. Antarctica is at the South Pole. The next one. Which of these animals do you not get in Antarctica? Penguins, polar bear, seals, or whales? Which of these animals do you not get in Antarctica? The correct answer is polar bears. Remember that these animals live at the North Pole. The next one. Antarctica is sea surrounded by land or land surrounded by sea. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is land surrounded by sea. The next one. What are the native people of Antarctica called? Antarcticans, South Poleans, or there are no native people of Antarctica? What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is the last one. There are no native people of Antarctica. The next one. Does Antarctica have the world's largest letter A, desert, letter B, volcano, or letter C, mountains? What do you think? Desert, and we are going to check why. So let's start talking about some fun facts about Antarctica. The first one is, where is Antarctica? Antarctica is located at the South Pole and is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Over 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice. It is the driest and coldest continent on Earth. The next one is, where are are there any cities in Antarctica? What do you think? Yes or no? The answer is no. No one lives in Antarctica indefinitely in the way that they do in the rest of the world. It has no commercial industries, no towns or cities, no permanent residents. The only settlements with longer-term residents who stay for some months or a year, maybe two, are scientific bases. So in Antarctica, there aren't cities. The next one. Does Antarctica have its flag? What do you think? Yes or no? Yes, Antarctica has a flag. The official flag of Antarctica has a white map of the continent at the center of the blue background. The flag has in the radio of 2.3 and is the official symbol of the continent. The next one. Is Antarctica a desert? What do you think? Yes or no? I know that in the previous quiz I told you yes. And why? When most of you think of deserts, we think of sand, dunes, and temperature. But technically, a desert doesn't have to be hot or sandy. It's more about how much precipitation the area receives. That's why Antarctica is considered a desert. Antarctica is the coldest, windest, and the most isolated continent on Earth, and is considered as desert because its annual precipitation can be less than 51 millimeters in the interior. It's covered by a permanent ice sheet that contains 90% of the Earth's fresh water. The next fact is Antarctica is bigger than Europe. Can you imagine that? And also is almost the double size of Australia. The next one. The South Pole is found in Antarctica. How do you imagine the South Pole? Did you imagine in that way? To be honest, I imagine the South Pole different. Another fun fact about Antarctica is well-known animals that live in Antarctica include penguins and seals. Around 90% of the ice on Earth is found in Antarctica. And the name of Antarctica comes from a Greek word, means opposite to the north. And the last fact, is there anything in Antarctica? No, no humans live in Antarctica permanently. However, about 1,000 to 5,000 people live through the year at the science stations in Antarctica. Only plants and animals that can live cold live there. The animals include penguins and seals. Okay, so now during the virtual class, we are going to work, as I told you before, on pages 104 and 105. We are going to talk about Antarctica, and we are going to read the sentences, and we are going to guess, and then we are going to listen, and we are going to circle the correct option. Then we are going to do activity number 2, in which we are going to look and label the map, and then we are going to read the article called The Race to the South Pole. And then we are going to answer the following questions. So we are going to focus now in the words that are in the article in bold. For example, ultimate, rich, memorized, supplies, and tragically. We are going to learn the meaning now. So the first one is ultimate, that means the best. Rich, that means to arrive at. Motorized, that means with a motor. Supplies, that means necessary items, often food. And the last one, tragically, that means sadly. So now please, I would like to focus in this question. Says, stop and think. Is it okay for people to risk their lives in order to explore a place? Yes or no? Why or why not? What do you think? Think in this question because you are going to answer in the virtual class. So I would like to show you 3 of the most dangerous places that people risk their lives to visit. The first one is Yungas Road, Bolivia. This famous road in Bolivia is notoriously called the Road of the Dead. That's because it already claimed hundreds, if not thousands, of lives. Would you like to visit? Yes or no? Let me know through the virtual class. The next one. Most dangerous places that people risk their lives to visit. The number 2 is Tromsø in Norway. Literally means troll town. Is one of the Norway's most population overlooking spots. Adventure-loving tourists will climb this dangerous rock because of the beautiful views that it offers. Would you visit this place if you have the chance? Yes or no? Also, let me know through the virtual class. And the last one. This place is one of the most dangerous places that people risk their lives to visit. And this rock is suspended at 3,245 feet in the air between two boulders in also Norway. Would you visit this place if you have the chance? Yes or no? That's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you learn a little bit more about Antarctica. If you know another fun fact about it, please let me know through the virtual class. Thank you so much and bye bye.